When I was a kid, this place was the honeymoon capital of the world. Presidents vacationed here. But now the only outsiders migrating north to Lakeville are the fishermen. They roll into town, rumbling down gravel side roads in dented Chevy Blazers and well-worn Jeep Cherokees, fishing rods propped across back seats, aluminum boats in tow. Men in brown canvas vests, waders in baseball caps, trudge below bridges and along soybean fields to fish the native trout runs. Fathers take their children to the boat launch to pick up permits. These men are reticent and pensive, a bit rough around the edges. They appreciate the landscape for what it is. They are a non-invasive species. Nature poets. North to Lakeville.